And now introduce how to change the currency about the coffee machine. First step, we press the machine ID and input the password. Yeah, the screen password. Initial is 73194653. Then number is here and choose admin login. Yeah, admin login. The admin password initial is 6-bit 0. Okay, login and open the payment system. Okay, we can see they have a price unity. Okay, we click here, then open the list. Okay, choose the character or price unity you want. Okay, for example, RMN. Okay, confirm. Okay, then we go back to the home page. We can see succeed.